Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Plymouth Fury 3 in the beautiful looking dark blue poly paint with the contrasting two-tone blue interior. It was a great looking car. This one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night, and it was set off real nice with the red line tires on the Magnum 500 wheels. And it was definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. I'm not really sure what size engine it had in it. They had everything from the standard 318 was the standard motor, and then you could actually get a 6-cylinder, believe it or not. And you can get a 383 or the 440 Magnum was the top engine available for them. This particular one, I don't know what size it had because they don't have a call out on the side of the car. So there's really no way of knowing unless you check the VIN, and that would probably have the code in it. But I didn't do that, so I forgot to do that. But anyways, it was definitely a great looking car, as you see in the video and the photos that I have right here. As you can see, it was a rather large car. It was about 210 inches long and had a 119-inch wheelbase. As far as production numbers go, in 1966, Plymouth sold 687,500 some odd cars for the whole line. And of that, 146,500 were Plymouth Fury 3s. And as far as the breakdown on those, this particular car, a two-door hardtop coupe, they sold 41,869 of them in 1966. So not rare by any means, but these days they're fairly rare because I haven't really seen many of them. I've only seen a handful in the last 10 years or so. And this one was really the only nice one that I've seen that was worthy of being filmed. Whoever did the restoration on this one did a fantastic job. It definitely was a good looking car, and it was a good color combo with the right wheels, with the red line tires. Just really set it off, and was definitely a good representation of that particular model. But anyway, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. And right now I have almost 700 videos on this channel, Car Finder. And you're welcome to share this video or any of those videos on your page, whatever you have where you share items and share photos and videos. You're welcome to share this one and any of my videos, any of the almost 700 of them that I have right now. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And oh, by the way, I forgot, you can look at, here's a link to some of the videos that I do have. You can take a look at either of these, and it'll give you something to get you down the road to the next one. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.